hippo that eats a bunch.
I is for igloo, cold and white. J is for jelly, a jiggly delight. K is for kite that flies so high. L is for lion with a loud roar cry. M is for moon up in the sky. N is for nest where baby birds lie. O is for owl that hoots at night. P is for penguin in black and white. Q is for queen with the golden crown. R is for rabbit that hops all around. S is for sun that shines so bright. T is for train that goes all night. U is for umbrella when there's rain. V is for van driving down the lane. W is for whale in the deep blue sea.